So I want to show you what I have today. What these are decorative paper, actually awnings. You actually open them up and you can put them anywhere you want and you can decorate any place that you want to decorate. So this is the style here. This is what they look like, little circles. And there's a set of 4 in here. Let me just show you. There's four of these, okay? These make 4 awnings. I'll make one in a minute for you. I'll show you how to do that. And they also come with the little adhesive tapes here that come included also in the kit. So here's a bunch of them. You cut them to size. You do need a scissors that you just supply yourself. That's how that comes. So there's 4 of these, like I said, and I'm going to put one together and show you how to do it. So this is what they look like. And when you open them up, they double. So you can see here. And I'm just going to give you a rough look. Look how they look here. Isn't that cool? That's an awning. And you can pretty much hang these up and you just put them all together. So let's put them together. We're going to tip it upside down. And we're going to open everything up here. And I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. I'm actually going to hang one up and I'm going to show you what they look like. So what you want to do is fold this in. You can see here, this piece here, and we're actually going to cut a piece of tape, and we're just going to stick a piece of tape right over here, and that's how you assemble the awning. So it's really super easy. So you just take a measurement, approximate measurement, take your scissors, cut the paper, cut the tape, and then you just basically peel the tape and you stick it right to the side there. So let's do that right now. Peel one side off, and we're going to stick it to the inner side here, and then we're going to peel that paper off here, that other side of the sticky tape, right here, right there. And then we're going to stick this together. So that does that part of the awning, so you can see that. See here? So that's the side view of the awning. And we're going to repeat that on the opposite side here. So they give you a ton of tape. That way you can just make, you can do this multiple times. Then you can cut that again, peel it. Really super easy to do, and these are really super fun. Great craft project for the kids. And just put it right here, like I said, just like that. And then we just peel it off here, like that there. And then you just stick it to the other side. So now, as you can see, our awning is coming together beautifully. You can see that nicely. And basically, all you have to do at this point is take these 2 tabs here and you fold them back and you put this against the wall. So I'm actually going to attach this to the wall right now, and you're going to see how it looks. And you get 4 of these, don't forget. This is what they look like here. I'm going to hang it to the wall, take 2 pieces of tape, put them here, stick them to the wall, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so now you can see I actually stuck it to the wall. You can see here, and this is how it looks, just like that. And you can hang up these up all over, really make it really cool. The kids have a lot of fun. Tape comes right off and you can reuse it over and over. This is what the awning looks like on top. This is how the front looks. That's the bottom. And you can see how fun that looks. Really hang up 2 or 3 of these around and the kids will have a lot of fun. Absolutely love this. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.